Hi dear programmers, welcome to C++ tutorial. Today we are going to talk a while loop. In while loop we will learn the reputational structure and we will do some basic exercise and which will let us know this better. The while loop based on a condition executes some codes. Example, you give him a condition. In the condition you say, example, if the number less than 10, execute these statements continuously till this condition is supported. And you can control this also with the increment and decrement statement you write underneath or above these statements. We will understand them better in the exercises. But before we understand this from the exercise, I would like to show you this diagram. As you see, there is a condition. If your condition is supported by the input, it will go to these execute parts, these statements. And after execution, it's going to repeat this. It will check again the condition. And this loop will continue till your condition is supported by the input. When it's not supported, it will go to the end of the program and return 0. So let's continue from the exercise. I'm going to introduce a variable first. I'm going to introduce here counter. I make this initial point 0, and then I will write this one while counter less than 10. Okay, I want from him to print hello. Guess what's gonna happen? I'm going to run the program and it will check is number less than 10, the counter. If it is true, it will execute this code line till this condition is supported by the input. Let's do it. Now as you see, you're gonna see a lot of hellos are printed and it's printing yet. But we cannot control this because there is no control code line. We can control this with a counter, with the increment or decrement statements. Let's say when you print this hello, I want from him to increase the counter one more. I will do this with counter plus plus. So this statement will add your value one more, and it will increase your 0 to 1, and then it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, and by the way, it's going to print these hellos. And when it becomes 10, it will check the condition 10 is not less than 10. It won't let you enter these statements, so it won't execute any code lines, and then it will go out of this loop and then meet with the return 0 and then end the program. Let's see it. As you see, it stopped printing. I control this loop with counter, increment or decrement statements. So here we can repeat it again. You can control your loops with increment or decrement statements. Now let's print numbers from 0 till 10. In order to print numbers, I'm going to write here counter, because it's going to start from 0 and it will increase the counter one by one with this increment statement while it increases, and I want from him also print these numbers by this cout code line. Let's see what's gonna happen. As you see, it printed all the numbers. It was in first 0, and then the counter plus plus increased the number one more and it became 1, and it printed 1, and then counter plus plus made it 2 and then printed 2, and then it became 3 by the counter plus plus and then printed 3 there, and then it went till 9 or till the condition is supported. Let me also include 10 in a condition. So let's see what's gonna happen. It also printed 10 because by placing equal, it also included 10 inside the condition. Okay, if you type here 100, it's going to print all the numbers till 100. And I would like to put their handle to separate the numbers each other. Let's run it from 0 till 100. Let's make a program, and it will ask you enter a number, and then it will print the numbers till the input you entered. Okay, I'm going to ask cout enter a number. And I'll write there cin number n. And by the way, I have to introduce the n on the top there. And instead 100, I'm going to write n because we don't know till which number it will be printed. And now it will wait for my input. But oops, you see some problem. I forgot placing here semicolon. Let's repeat it again. I'm going to write there 50 and it will print till 50. Let's write there 15 and it will print till 15. Okay, we have finished our tutorial here. I hope it was useful to understand the concept of while structure, and I'm planning to make more exercises in the following tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.